Hey there! Do you find yourself toggling your Xiaomi phone's dark mode manually every evening and morning? Well, fret no more. In this quick video, I'll show you how to schedule dark mode to turn on and off automatically. Let's get right into it. Firstly, open up the Settings app on your Xiaomi phone. Then, scroll down a bit and tap on Display. After that, tap on Schedule Dark Mode. Next, simply toggle it on. Now, you can choose to have it turn on at sunset and off at sunrise. You can also set a custom time for it to activate and deactivate. And there you have it. That's how you can schedule dark mode to any Xiaomi phone. If this tip worked for you, go ahead and hit that like button. Interested in more Xiaomi tips and tricks? Make sure to subscribe to the channel because we have got plenty more coming your way. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.